How to delete all Snapchat messages easily. This tutorial shows you how to clear your entire chat history and remove all messages from Snapchat on your Android device. First, open the Snapchat application on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Following that, tap on the gear icon to open settings. Now, scroll down and look for Privacy or Privacy and Data. Moving forward, tap on Privacy to access privacy settings. Scroll down until you find Clear Conversations or Clear Chat History. Afterwards, tap on Clear Conversations. You'll see a list of all your active chats displayed. Now you can select individual conversations you want to clear. Tap on the X button next to each chat to delete all messages from it. A confirmation will appear asking if you're sure. Tap on Clear to confirm and remove all messages from that conversation. Repeat this for as many chats as you want to delete. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't have a single delete all button, so you need to clear chats one by one. Once you've cleared all desired conversations, your message history will be completely removed. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you delete all Snapchat messages easily, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.